Riley, and the area of my research development that I'm going to present on is good data collection. So my research context, I'm a PhD. Sorry?
Can you speak up?
Speak up, yeah. So my research context, I'm a PhD student. I'm doing a PhD looking at L2 metaphoric competence in relation to breadth and depth of vocabulary knowledge. So I started my PhD, and I'm very aware that in 3 years, 4 if I'm slow or lazy, that my whole work will be assessed by a Viva committee, and my data collection needs to be good. It needs to be good in some sense, but I think to myself, what on earth does good data collection mean in my context? Is that reliable data collection? Is that ethical data collection? Is that data collection that my supervisor is going to be happy with? So I asked myself that question, and I'm very aware that my context could be radically different from, let's say, a teacher doing action research in the classroom, where you've got issues like, time limitations, no support. What could good data collection be in that context? You've got, in the extreme, as David explained, you've got stabbing and spying and these kinds of things. So, so that's something that we could perhaps tease out in discussion. So I present on what I think good data collection might be in my context. I offer some ideas, but I'd like to hear what it might be in yours. I present a bit on why it might be important to collect good data or good data collection. I talk about some specific challenges that I've faced. And then at the bottom here, I talk about a method that I've used to address these challenges. It's using IRIS, which is a database of data collection materials that I'm involved with. So I was able to actually use that in my PhD research. So I include a section on that, and I can tell you more about that. I've got some flyers as well. So I invite you to come and look at my poster, and we can reflect and look at these issues.